Okay, so in this video we're going to have a look at adding binaries, okay, in 8 bits, and also we're just going to have a quick look at overflow errors and what they are. Okay, so first of all, just a quick reminder of the rules when adding binary. All right, so if we have 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1. Remember, 1 plus 1 is 2, so in binary that is 1, 0. Okay, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3, so in binary that is 1, 1. Alright, if you can stick to these rules and remember these rules, adding binary is exactly the same as adding anything you would have did in primary stage maths. Okay, so let's have a look. Right, so we're going to follow these rules and we're going to add this binary, or these two binary numbers together. All right, so first of all, 1 plus 0. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, so we've got no problem there. 0 plus 1 is 1, no problem there. Now here we've got 1 plus 1. All right, 1 plus 1 is 2, so that's 1, 0 in binary. Okay, so remember, just like when we're adding up, we put the 0 on the bottom and we put the 1 on the doorstep. Okay, just like you would have did in primary when you were doing maths, when you're working with the units and tens. Okay, so now we have 0 plus 0 plus 1. 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 1 is 2, so it's 0, 1, so we put the 1 on the doorstep. Now we have 1 plus 1 plus 1, right, which is 1, 1 in binary. Okay, so we put 1 here and carry the 1 over. All right, and now we're left with 1 plus 1 plus 1, okay, which is 1, and we're carrying over another 1. Okay, so once we put a 1 on the doorstep here, all right, it's not like when we're doing normal maths. Okay, we can't just put the 1 here and make the binary number bigger. Okay, because what we're dealing with is computers, and computers don't have the ability to add another byte of data to put another 8 bits there, so we can have this 1 here. All right, so what happens in this case is we get an overflow error, all right, which is an error that looks like this thing up here. Okay, you might have seen these before. They come in all different shapes and sizes, but basically what it means is that when the computer has been doing its calculations with binary, it's had a carryover like this, and it doesn't have space to put it into, so you get an error. All right, so remember, the main thing here is remember the rules for adding binary. A 2 is 1, 0, and a 3 is 1, 1, and everything else remains the same as your normal maths lessons.